All right, since I'm here, let's welcome onto the stage for our next startup called ORNA.
Hello, ladies and gents. We are at war, but not the one you think, cyber war, actually. So we're talking about millions and millions of people's livelihoods being threatened by cyber criminals, in particular, hostile organizations, and we're talking both governments and government-sponsored organizations are actively going after our freedom, our money, our reputation, and in fact, our way of life. $6 trillion have been lost to cyber attacks last year alone. Think about this number. That's 6 million, that's 6,000 billion dollars. It's mind-boggling, it's incomprehensible. It's actually a huge problem, particularly so for mid-sized organizations that contribute 70% to this statistic. Now, if you run a mid-sized business, there's a 20% chance that you will experience a damaging cyber attack this year. That's very problematic, so what do? You can go to some of the existing vendors, Palo Alto, Splunk, IBM, you know the names. But all of these solutions have critical flaws in the context of mid-sized businesses. They're ludicrously expensive, typically clocking in at $500,000 per year. That's just the cost of opportunity, not to mention the resources. They are extremely difficult to use for mid-sized businesses in particular because they often don't have the knowledge, the resources, and just about any kind of infrastructure to take full advantage of these tools. And three, inexplicable to me, actually, as cybersecurity professionals, they tend to focus on just the IT and the technical component of incident resolution. They ignore legal, regulatory compliance, communications, third-party management, and all of the other vital aspects of holistic incident response. Now, ORNA. Well, we've built a solution just to answer these demands. One, starts at $1,000 a month. Cybersecurity doesn't need to be expensive. And it's a full-fledged enterprise security solution and orchestration solution. Two, incredibly easy to use. In fact, we've won best-in-class user experience, very stress-free, very intuitive. And three, it covers the entire incident response lifecycle. It's very holistic, legal, comms, everything, technical as well, right? But our secret sauce is our AI called Thea. Now, Thea cross-correlates data across 28 sources online, including the dark web, and then it enriches incident with this data. So when ORNA detects an attack, it not only alerts all of your stakeholders, but it creates hyper-specific tasks, actions for all of them, detailed on how to resolve this specific attack at this specific point in time for your specific company. Nobody else does this. And among the shortage of cybersecurity resources globally, 4 million unfilled positions. This is key. Now, clearly we're doing something right, because just 5 months of starting this company, we have 50+ customers. We have crossed $1 million in revenue, and we have oversubscribed our $1 million seed round. Thank you.
Okay, great job. Hey, if ORNA doesn't work, Marvel, you found your next Tony Stark.